Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening both documents and saving separate copies so you never overwrite original work. Once done, go to the Review tab and select Compare. This invokes Word's comparison engine. Make sure to pick which file is the original and which is the revised. This determines insertion and deletion markings. Also, check the comparison settings, track moves, formatting, and case sensitivity, because these options control what Word highlights and why you'll see specific differences. Now you analyze the combined comparison document where Word displays insertions, deletions, and formatting changes. This helps you see what changed and why. Use the navigation or reviewing pane to jump between edits. This saves time when documents are long. Make sure to toggle between inline and balloon views if you need context versus compact notes, and adjust the level of detail for moves or formatting so you only get the differences that matter for your review goals. You finish by accepting or rejecting changes, either one by one or by using Accept All when appropriate, then save a finalized document. Make sure to save a clean copy and, if required, export as PDF for distribution. This locks formatting. If something looks wrong, rerun Compare with different options, for example, toggle move detection or include formatting, because small setting tweaks often fix mismatches. Finally, double-check headers, footers, and tracked comments before sharing the final file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.